Just a quick update video this week. Getting ready to move back to the boat. I've almost finished restoring all my antique hand tools, and I have got a lot of new hand tools. So very future project will be to build a Dutch chest so I can move the tools around between the house and the boat when we get back to it. Also, I'm going to show a quick update on changing your table saw blade in case you're interested in that. And some upcoming projects after the Dutch cabinet and a quick tour of all the new hand tools. We will look at doing some carving and gold leafing of some name boards for Talitha, and also getting the washboards, or a new set of washboards, made, because the original set is not the original, but the set I currently have is just a couple sheets of plywood. So we'll get them done in my fake teak, which is going to be a mountain ash here from Australia, sold as Tassie oak, and a light teak finish. I'll epoxy and varnish it, add some vents, and we'll get that out in the next couple weeks. Okay, so hopefully we get into some real boat projects in the next few months. And certainly after New Year's, something to look forward to is we've chartered a Beneteau 41.1, a new boat, and we'll be doing an 8-day sail around the Whitsunday Islands here in Australia. So look forward to that. Sort of late January, I should get that video to you. We're going mid-Jan, 8th to the 20th. So if you're around Hamilton Island or in the Whitsunday area, give us a hoy if you run into us. And look forward to delivering a lot more boat projects and getting Talitha back in the water in 2020. Remember, if you like these videos, whether it's the carpentry, gardening, travel, or what the channel has been about, restoring Talitha, please share, like, subscribe, ring the bell. It really does help the channel. Remember, I'm not doing this for sponsorship, certainly not making any money off YouTube. It's a bit to document the process for myself for the future, and also to help out anyone out there who may be considering a project like this or restoring your own boat.